Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to use WhatsApp web on your laptop. It's very easy process. So let's take a start. The first step is first you are using your laptop. You need to click on bottom left corner start, and then here you need to click on Microsoft Edge. If you have Chrome, you can type Chrome here. Chrome browser. I don't have Chrome, so if you don't have Chrome, then you need to install this. I'm using Microsoft Edge, so just type Edge over here. So just click on open, and now here you need to type what? First you need to type Google, and in Google search engine scroll down, click on Google. This is very basic steps, baby steps. Now here you need to type in Google search engine, type WhatsApp web. Okay, WhatsApp app will appear over here. Just click on that. So here you need to click on first link, WhatsApp web. Now this interface will appear. The instruction is written over here. Open WhatsApp web on your mobile phone. Then on Android app, tab menu on the top right corner on these three dots. On the iPhone tab, this one. If you are using iPhone, then you need to click on this gear, and if you are using Android mobile phone, then you need to click on these three dots on the top right corner. Tap, and then after that you will find this one, link device. Then link it. Then camera will open and scan this QR code. Now I'm going to show you this as well. Just stay tuned. Here we are. Okay, this is the interface of your Android mobile phone, my Android mobile phone. So I'm going to click do what. So you will click on WhatsApp web mobile app application, launch it, and the top right corner you will see clearly there are three dots, top right corner. Click on those dots, and now click on link device. Click on link device, and now I have already you can link at least 4 devices, so I have two already devices are linked over here. So just you need to click on the first link, link a device. Now open it. If you do your password, so now you need to do what? You need to scan this code that will appear on your laptop. That's it, and it will redirect you where? On the WhatsApp. Look here. Okay, just you need to give a name over here, test. Okay, active now. 3 devices are active now. Look here. Welcome to the page.